Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today we'll be doing unboxing with GD Cuber. Without further ado, let's get into the package. Here we have the cube, a Dayan TengYun M.
Yeah, so Gezza and I are doing an unboxing each on each other's channels, so check them both out, I guess.
We're getting into the first cube now. It's a Dayan TengYun M 2x2. So here's the cube, and it also comes with a accessories box. The first thing I'm noticing is the sticker shades are nice and bright, so they're pretty good, and it's also very lubey on the outside. See the toning. Wow, the toning's very fluid on this cube. It's a nice size for me, and I reckon this might be my new main.
It definitely feels very lubey out of the box. The magnets are a really good strength, and the plastic is nice and soft and smooth turning. I could definitely see myself using this cube. This is definitely a lot better than the all plastic Dayan. I've got a couple of them, and it's a lot softer than the OP Dayan, as well as a lot faster, and the corner cutting is significantly better.
Also in the box there's some cube stands and a business card. Thanks Daily Puzzles.
So if you want to support us, you can use either of our discount codes for 10% off your entire order. So that's Gezza10 or GDCuber at the checkout of dailypuzzles.com.au.
Thank you guys for watching. Please leave a like or subscribe if you haven't already. And you can check out GD Cuber's channel for his perspective of the unboxing.